Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Facebook chat to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a Facebook chat. So let's click sign up for free on top right corner. Now we want to sign with your Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in search Facebook and just find Facebook chat. Let's create a widget. And now you can go between general, support, booking, sale. I'm going with the general. Let's continue with the template. And now you just connect your Facebook account. Quite simple. And then go to top right corner, click save. Right after, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic Pro Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is go to be in Squarespace, go to settings, scroll down below to advanced, code injection, and paste the code. Click save. And voila, let's preview. And when you're gonna see on the right bottom corner, you can see that we got beautiful Facebook chat. I can even go to about and projects, and it's still going to be there. So this is how we can add Facebook chat to your website on Squarespace. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.